Welcome to Legal Baatchit, your go-to channel for insightful discussions on legal topics. In today's video, we will delve into the intricacies of Article 6 of the Constitution of India, which focuses on the rights of citizenship for migrants from Pakistan. Join us as we explore the historical background, legal provisions, significance, challenges, and notable case studies related to this crucial constitutional provision. To understand the importance of Article 6, we must contextualize it within the historical events of the Partition of India in 1947. The partition resulted in the creation of India and Pakistan as separate nations, triggering mass migrations along religious lines. Hindus, Sikhs, and Muslims found themselves uprooted from their homes and faced with the challenges of starting anew. It is against this backdrop that Article 6 was introduced to safeguard the rights of those who migrated from Pakistan to India. The individuals who migrated from Pakistan to India during the partition faced numerous hardships and uncertainties. They lost their homes, livelihoods, and suffered immense emotional trauma. Recognizing their unique circumstances, Article 6 was incorporated into the Constitution of India to protect their rights and ensure their integration into Indian society. It was a step towards acknowledging the struggles and contributions of these displaced persons. Let's take a closer look at the provisions outlined in Article 6. According to this article, a person who migrated from the territory now included in Pakistan to the territory of India shall be deemed a citizen of India if they meet certain conditions. Firstly, their parents, or their grandparents must have been born in undivided India, as defined in the Government of India Act, 1935. Secondly, depending on the date of migration, they must either have been ordinarily resident in India since the date of migration or have been registered as a citizen of India by an appointed officer. The significance of Article 6 lies in its commitment to inclusivity and justice. By granting citizenship to those who migrated during the partition, India acknowledges their sacrifices and ensures their rights are protected. This provision allows them to fully participate in the democratic processes, access welfare benefits, and enjoy the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. It serves as a symbol of India's commitment to embracing diversity and fostering unity. To implement Article 6 effectively, a proper documentation and registration process is in place. Eligible individuals need to provide documents that establish their birth in India as defined in the Government of India Act, 1935, and demonstrate their ordinary residence in India since the date of migration. Additionally, for those who migrated after 19 July 1948, registration as a citizen of India by an appointed officer is required. This process helps ensure the authenticity of claims and maintains the integrity of the citizenship system. Indian citizenship acquired under Article 6 brings with it a wide range of rights and privileges. Migrants from Pakistan who become Indian citizens gain access to fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution, including the right to equality, freedom of speech, and protection from discrimination. They can participate in the democratic process by exercising their right to vote and stand for public office. Additionally, they are entitled to social welfare benefits, educational opportunities, healthcare facilities, and employment prospects. While Article 6 is a significant provision, it is not without its challenges and controversies. One of the key challenges lies in identifying individuals who meet the eligibility criteria, given the considerable time that has passed since the partition. Many migrants lack proper documentation due to the displacement and turmoil they experienced during that period. The interpretation and scope of Article 6 have also sparked debates, especially in cases where the eligibility criteria are not explicitly defined. Courts have played a crucial role in interpreting and clarifying the provision through various judgments and rulings. Let's explore a notable case study, Mohd. Ayub Khan v. Commissioner, Rehabilitation, 1967, which sheds light on the application of Article 6. In this case, the court addressed the rights of citizenship for migrants from Pakistan and provided important guidance on the interpretation and implementation of the provision. The ruling set significant precedents that continue to shape subsequent cases related to Article 6. Another noteworthy case study is Ravi Ranjan Kumar v. Union of India, 2020. This case raised specific issues related to the eligibility criteria under Article 6, and the court's ruling further clarified the interpretation and implementation of the provision. The judgment in this case has contributed to the evolving legal landscape surrounding Article 6. To conclude, Article 6 of the Constitution of India holds immense significance as it grants citizenship rights to those who migrated from Pakistan during the partition. It reflects India's commitment to inclusivity, justice, and recognition of the hardships faced by displaced persons. By ensuring their integration into society and safeguarding their rights, Article 6 upholds the values of equality, compassion, and unity. Thank you for watching the video. If you like such informative videos on legal concepts, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.